Another beautiful day. Taking the E39 out. Man, this thing looks good. And here we go. Alright, hopefully no check engine lights today. Clutch is a little squeaky. Give it a little wiggle. And we're off. Is that Vanos? Or is that just a cold start? I can never remember. I swear to God I hear something. What is that? Maybe it's just the S62 being itself. I don't know. Oh man, this thing looks good. Every angle. Once again, every angle. I could just stare at it. I think I have somewhere to go, but I don't know. Forgot. Okay. Da-da-da. Another beautiful day. E39 M5. What could possibly be better? Alright, keep the RPMs low until she's warm. Man, those RPM limiter lights look so cool every time. And we're going to put the sunshade up. Bet your car doesn't have a sunshade. Hell, I even put it up even when it's cloudy. And we're going to put it down. Actually, it's not as sunny as I thought it was. And we're going to put it back up. I wonder why these things break. Can't forget, keep the RPMs low. Keep the RPMs low. Oh, we're warming up just a little bit. Oil is warming. See, I use my blinkers. And $3 grand's my limit. Gotta be nice to her. Oh, one more bar closer. Oil is still cold. Be careful. Man, I love this F10 shifter. Give it a little wiggle. Nice beautiful day, no cars around me, safe and sound. Oh, here we go, and we're off. Keep the RPMs low, keep the RPMs low, and there's a Subaru, but they don't have an M5. Man, this thing is smooth, every time. It's like such a GT car, it's like it was designed for the Autobahn. This car's so chill. I bet that Subaru wishes they had one of these. Can't wait for this oil to warm up. Let's roll down the window a little bit. Hopefully the regulator's still working. Okay, we're good. And back up. She's warming up slowly. There we go. That's what I like to see. And down we go. Man, she's strong. Always. An X7. One of the ugliest BMWs known to man. I bet they wish they had an M5. Fantastic day. Sunshade is up. Seat twist issues are fixed. Blowing by everyone that I want to because the E39 M5 is much better. The seat is still kind of uncomfortable. I can't get it perfect. Yeah. Now I get to see all the people behind me. Screw them, I'm gonna block them out. Beautiful day, running some errands, and just putting the foot down is just perfect in this car. Love it. Gosh, anytime I think about selling it, I just can't. It's just too good. It's just better than every car on the road. Except for all the issues I've had. So chill, not in a hurry, but if I wanted to be, I could get there quick, because I have an E39 M5. I wonder how many guys are driving their M5s today. Hopefully I run into them. We can be friends. I bet you all these other cars wish they were me. I know I would wish that. Man, hopefully my evap light doesn't go on again. Who is that? Ah, so chilled. Nice throws. Man, I really did a good job with this clutch and shifter. I wonder when I'm gonna have to do rod bearings. People keep talking about that. Also valve cover gaskets. Also suspension. Also AC. Also window regulators. Also timing chain guides. The steering just, maybe I'll have to do something there too. I don't know. Always something with this thing, but I love it. The usual wiggle. See, all these stupid cars, Hyundai Sonatas and Chevys, they got nothing on me. They think they're cool and they have newer cars, but they're slackers, man. I'm legit. Got my E39 with 134,000 miles. I mean, 80 degrees out. I mean, come on.